Today is May 9th, 2014. This is Izzy and Briley. Oh, give her a kiss kiss. Oh, so sweet. You're too sweet. Tinky Tinky. Smell her Tinky Tinky. Is that Tinky? Do her Tinky. Oh, do Tinky. Look. Is she Tinky Tinky? Smell her Tinky. Oh, you're nasty! She has Tinky like you! Smell Tinky Tinky! Smell Tinky Tinky, don't be embarrassed! Kiss kiss Bri Bri. Kiss kiss Bri Bri. Damn, Briley looks like Yuska. Kiss kiss! That is not Coco. Kiss kiss!